ba? Gusto ng ating Panginoon lahat ng tao makakilala sa Kanya. That's the kingdom of God. When people submit to the Lordship of Jesus, that's the kingdom of God. Pero dito sinasabi ni Jesus, yung kingdom, palaganapin ninyo. How? Heal the sick who are there. Heal the sick who are there and tell them the kingdom of God is